Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to get right into it. Today we are using the CURLYME collection. I got a 16-inch body wave. It is a 13x4 frontal, and we are using the watercolor method. We're going to be using 3 colors today: the honey brown, French cognac, and Cajun spice. I'm pouring in my boiling water into the container, not too much because I want my colors to be pretty potent. We're going to use the full bottle of the Cajun spice. Also, we're using the full bottle of the French cognac and about 20% of the bottle of the honey brown. The honey brown is just to tame it a little bit. We're going to stir it up really well. We're going to do a test hair. It's the right color that I want, so now we're just going to dip the full wig into it and make sure it's fully saturated. We want to make sure that we get everything in between the crevices, and also make sure that you brush in between it as well. Make sure you get all of the wig. We're going to let it sit in there for about 45 minutes and rinse out with cold water, and here is the beautiful color.
It can get ugly. I'm to support from the east side. Do you love me? Your mom told you about this side. It can get ugly. I'm to support from the east side. No, no.
Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I will leave the details for the wig and everything down in the description below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!